presenting GEMS. GEMS is a global emergency medical support system, as you can see right there. So it helps aid workers like Anna, who is in a third world war-torn country and wants to provide medical aid. However, she encounters the problem on a regular basis. Sometimes she doesn't have the knowledge necessary for the specific situations she's dealing with. GEMS helps her solve this problem by using Agora's real-time communication network, which helps prevent lag time, to connect her to experts. We have it's a platform for experts to gather to help aid workers like Anna, and we use Agora's
real-time communication
platform, to connect with no lag time, because in situations like these, a 2-second delay could mean life or death. It also makes sure that local people can make an impact abroad, local doctors and professionals, without having to leave their cities.
Okay, so GEMS provides 2 different entry points for doctors that are at their home country and also for the volunteers that are aiding abroad. So over here you can see volunteers, they can submit a request from wherever they are, the disaster is, and then they can search for the doctors with specialization and language that they speak, and that would provide a list of doctors that they can submit requests to according to patient's medical situation. So once they submit a request, they will enter a form, and then that will lead them to the telemedicine screen. And on the doctor's side, that doctor will see on their homepage that they will see a list of urgent requests that's coming in, and they will see a request and accept the request, which will end up over here. So that it helps from both doctor and patient's perspective to build the telemedicine platform for urgent emergencies. So I'm going to show you a demo of our GEMS and see how GEMS work. Okay, so this is our page, and you can see, so over here are a list of requests that's coming from the volunteers, and at the bottom there are a list of disasters that's happening around the world. So you can see how many incidents are reported and how many people are helping at that particular area. So let's just see how we can accept a video call. So that's a request coming from one of our volunteers.
In Hawaii.
Hi!
Hello, doctors. We have a patient here who has a tech. Yeah.
Help! Okay. So over here we support enable and disable for video and leave and mute. Okay, I'll just leave. Thank you guys.
All right.
If you want to come over.
So the next steps if we move on with this, obviously we're going to need to find funding to build it. We want to build a better connection page for volunteers abroad or aid workers to submit requests for the doctors to go through. Right now we're sort of rudimentary. As well as we want to build a forum for discussion among the participants of this website between aid workers and doctors and organizations like the Red Cross, where they can ask questions and communicate without having to be in emergency situations. And also for hospitals with excess supplies, they can post them on that forum and say, hey, look, we have an excess medicine or machinery we're not using, and organizations like the Red Cross can claim it. And then finally partnering with an organization like Google's Loon project for areas where they might not have connection to Wi-Fi, and we can send like a weather balloon ahead so they can still use Agora.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks for listening.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.